G'day guys, Alex Ryan here, and welcome to this video. You're obviously watching this video because you're interested in joining us at the China Import-Export Fair. Congratulations, good on you, that's fantastic. We go to the China Import-Export Fair every year. There are two fairs every year, one in April and one in October. Out of those fairs, there are 3 phases per fair. So you've got electronics, you've got apparel, you've got construction. Each phase has different materials on offer, or different trade exhibitors, different materials there for you guys to see and sample. So on this page down below, you'll see there are 3 phases. You'll see exactly what is being covered in each phase. Now, if you know the particular product that you're kind of keen on and that you're kind of interested in, fantastic. The China Import-Export Fair is a great opportunity for you to come along, join us, work with us, and actually meet the suppliers, negotiate then and there. So some exciting stuff happening, guys, at the China Import-Export Fair. Now, if you're sort of unsure about the product and you're unsure about what you want to bring in, we can still help you guys. You can come along. We can work with you one-on-one to find your product and nail down a supplier then and there at the fair. And guys, it makes a huge difference going there in person, meeting the supplier face to face, all right? My guys, if you haven't yet heard of me, my name is Alex Ryan, author of How to Import from China and Make a Fortune. I've been teaching people how to find products and find suppliers for the last 10 years. I can help you nail down your product, your niche, or the industry that you want to be involved with, and nail down an awesome supplier. Now, like I said, we go to the fair twice a year, April and October, and we are running a special promotion right now. So we will actually pay for your flights. If you wish to come and join us at the fair, we will comp your flights. Now, this is a limited time only offer. We don't do this a lot. We're just sort of trying this out to see, test the response rate from our customers and our clients like yourselves. So if you are joining us, connect with us. We do sell out, guys. We do actually sell out. Last year, we actually had 2 people that we couldn't take to the October fair. So if you are looking or even mildly interested in joining us at the China Import-Export Fair, there is an apply button below. Just give that a click, and we can have a quick chat, find out exactly what you're looking to import from China. Maybe you're looking to sell on Amazon, so we can sort of talk about that. What are you looking to do? What particular product? Then we can nail down that phase, the phase that you need to attend, and then we can lock down some other particulars. But if you want to join us at the fair, guys, and you want to find out more information, have a speak with us, my team members or myself. Click the apply button below, and let's chat. But guys, the Canton Fair is an exciting program, and we do a lot for our clients if you do come and join us. We do have like little mini workshops at the end of every day. So we go out, we have translators join us, we have trade experts come as well. And if you're sort of looking for a bit of guidance when you're over there, so a lot of people get over there, they get confused because they need to book hotels, visas, invitation letters, buy badges. They don't know anything about that. Well, our team actually handle that, all of that for you. And it's quite, sometimes it's actually quite a complicated process to get the invitation letter, get the buyer's badge. You've got to get your Chinese visa, and it's a mainland Chinese visa as well. So there's a bit of red tape happening there, a bit of bureaucracy, and when you're there, you got to get transport to and from the fair. So all of that is arranged through our team. So we actually arrange that for our clients. And guys, I'm there as well. All right. You'll have me one-on-one there as well. So that's, like I said, this isn't a team member of mine or an employee of mine or some random person in China, like a few other companies I know do that. If you want to go to the fair, they'll just send you over there and some other person will just randomly take you around and look after you. No, this is me. I actually go with you because I'm looking for more products for my businesses. So guys, join me at the fair, click the apply button. Let's get something started this year. A lot of people put this stuff off. I don't know why. They leave it to last minute. Guys, get something happening. Start your business this year. Let's launch your business on Amazon. Let's start your business on eBay. Let's actually get something happening. Get your product out there and start selling, and let's make some money. Thanks for joining us, guys. My name's Alex Ryan. Like I said, author of How to Import from China and Make a Fortune, how to find hot products and great supplies. Talk to you real soon. See you later.